Think about it. A potential client rings your personal phone. Unprofessional. You miss the call because you're elbow deep fixing a leaky faucet. Lost opportunity. Voicemail gets buried dead end. There's got to be a better way, right? A way to project a professional image, never miss a call, and streamline your communication. That's where virtual phone systems like Grasshopper come in. But before you jump on the Grasshopper bandwagon, a crucial question. How much does it cost? Let's dive deep into Grasshopper pricing, explore what you get for your money, and ultimately, help you decide if it's the right fit for you and your business. Grasshopper 101. A breakdown of the basics. Grasshopper isn't your average phone company. It's a cloud-based virtual phone system. That means no clunky hardware, no messy installation, just a smooth, web-based interface to manage your phone calls from anywhere, anytime. Here's the magic. Grasshopper gives you a local or toll-free business number that you can use on your existing phone. Yes, even your personal cell, computer, or tablet. It then routes calls, sends voicemails to your email, and offers a bunch of cool features like auto attendance, call forwarding, and extensions for a virtual team setup, even if you're a solopreneur. Alright, how much does it cost? Now, for the money talk. Grasshopper offers 3 main pricing plans: solo, partner, and small business. Here's a quick rundown of each. Solo. This is the basic plan, priced at $26 per month. It's perfect for freelancers, solopreneurs, or anyone who just needs a single phone number and a handful of features. You get 1 extension, auto attendant, voicemail to email, and basic call management tools. Partner. This plan steps it up a notch at $49 per month. It's ideal for small teams of 2 to 3 people. You get everything in the solo plan, plus 3 extensions, call recording, and some fancy analytics to track your calls. Small business. This plan caters to growing businesses with 4 to 10 team members. It'll set you back $89 per month. You get all the bells and whistles from the partner plan, plus 6 extensions, advanced call routing, and integrations with popular business tools like Salesforce and Zapier. Hold on there. It gets a little more complicated, but we'll break it down. There are a few additional things to consider when it comes to Grasshopper pricing. Activation fee. There's a one-time $25 activation fee to get your account set up. Taxes. Don't forget about Uncle Sam. Depending on your location, you might need to factor in sales tax. International numbers. If you want a fancy international number, that'll cost extra. Prices vary depending on the country. Pay monthly versus annual. Grasshopper offers a discount if you pay for a year upfront. Consider this if you know you'll be using the service for a while. So, is Grasshopper worth the price? It depends. Here's the thing. Grasshopper isn't the cheapest virtual phone system out there, but it's certainly not the most expensive either. The real question is, does the value it provides justify the cost for your specific business? Here are some reasons Grasshopper might be worth the investment. Improved professionalism. Project a polished image with a dedicated business number and features like auto attendance. Enhanced communication. Never miss a call with voicemail to email, call forwarding, and extensions for a virtual team setup. Increased efficiency. Streamline your workflow with features like call recording and analytics to track your calls and improve communication. Scalability. Grow your business without worrying about your phone system. Grasshopper plans can accommodate teams of all sizes. However, Grasshopper might not be the best fit if you're on a tight budget. There are more budget-friendly virtual phone system options available. You only need basic features. If you just need a basic call forwarding service, Grasshopper might be overkill. You have a large team, 4 teams with more than 10 members. Grasshopper's plans might not be scalable enough, though they do offer custom enterprise plans. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Grasshopper is worth the cost is to weigh the features it offers against the needs of your business. If a professional virtual phone system with features like call forwarding, voicemail transcription, and auto attendance can streamline your operations and improve customer communication, then Grasshopper might be a wise investment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.